real soft. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, my name is Justnyce, also known as Justnyce. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more lit videos. And today we are going to be baking. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm making. So I'm basically baking this Betty Crocker cake. So comment down below if you guys like this cake or what's your favorite cake. I just decided I was going to try this because lots of you guys liked my last cooking with me video, so why not make a bake with me? So that's what we're going to be doing today, and I'm just going to go get our ingredients and stuff, and then we'll get started. To complete this is a large bowl, your baking pan, you're going to need a measuring cup, 3 eggs, a little bit of oil, and the mix. So let's read the instructions. The first step it says on the box is to preheat your oven at 350. So I'm gonna go preheat my oven at 350. Let's go.
So bake and then 350 and then bake. So that's preheating. So let's go back and mix up
A box of cake mix like this. So now that the cake is inside here, we're just gonna pour the eggs first. Here we go. 1 egg. 2 egg. 3 eggs. So we got our 3 eggs in the mixture now. Then I'm gonna get my cup of water, and then I'm gonna put a half a cup of vegetable oil in it too. So got my measuring cup, so I'm gonna pour my water in it and then mix. Water is now in. Pour it inside, and then as well. Now we're gonna mix. Now I'm gonna mix everything together for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. Comment down below if you guys like baking. I like baking, but honestly, I like the baking recipes that is only like 3 ingredients, because nobody got time to be doing those extreme, like all these extra steps and stuff. Like, no, not I. So we're just mixing till everything is not clumpy anymore. So I'm gonna show you guys like so far. So I'm just mixing. Make sure you don't have the powder like that still. So try to get the bottom, like mix it all the way around and stuff. But so far this is what it's looking like. It smells really good. I hope you guys follow my recipe. And yeah, you know, if you guys want me to do like cooking segments and stuff, like weekly cooking segments, because honestly this is kind of fun, like cooking or baking or like anything, because I like baking now. It seems to be really easy. So I smell my oven. Feel like it's about done. I have my baking pan here, and now I'm just gonna grease my bottom so it doesn't stick. And then that's one step too. You guys should get some butter, even though it has olive oil already in the cake, just in case we don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pot. So let's make sure we grease the pan before we put it in the oven. What I do is just take the butter stick like this, whatever, and I just rub it around rub it around, make sure that all the spots are greased. Usually, I would take paper towel and do this, but since it's already like a block, I'm just using the actual block because I'm high-key lazy, but it's okay. Make sure you get all around the pot so that doing this. So that's pretty much done. Now we just have to pour our batter inside of our baking bag. So here's our batter. We're just gonna, didn't even get to see it. Oh, well that's how it's looking. But yeah, here's our cake inside the baking pan. And then we just set our timer. We're just gonna set our timer. It's gonna bake for about 24 to 29 minutes. So I'm just gonna put my first timer on 24 minutes because I don't want it to be burnt. So let's do that. If you have little kids, you can just let them lick the spoon. But me, I'm just gonna wash it or probably lick it. But yeah, so that's that. Now we put it in the oven. Our thing's been preheating, our oven. So I'm just gonna open the oven. You guys can smell it and see the heat. And I'm just gonna take our cake. And then now, I'm just gonna put it in the oven like this. And we're gonna set our timer. So, let's set my timer. Alexa, set a 25-minute timer.
25 minutes, starting now.
And there you go. We just wait and we go and check on it, make sure that nothing's like falling out of the pan and stuff like that. But this is the boring part where you wait for your creation to be done. So when our creation is done, I will come back and check in with you guys and show you what we created. We'll do a taste test and everything. I also have icing I'm gonna put on top of my cake, so we're gonna do that too. And we have little sprinkles and stuff, so our cake's about to be so cute. It's gonna taste so good. We gotta look at our cake, guys. It is rising. It is definitely rising. It is baking. It smells good. So this went off and it's time to check and see what's going on. So I'm just gonna see, because it said on the packaging something about, oh yeah, it's not ready yet. Looks, it is finished. It's been in there for about, I want to say 30 minutes, maybe a little bit more. And now it's time to put the icing and stuff on it. So let's do all of that. Actually, before we put the icing on it, we have to let it cool for about 10 minutes. So we'll let it cool for 10 minutes and then we'll put the icing. I'm gonna show you guys what icing I have and all the decorations and stuff. So I'm gonna do that. I know where the sprinkles and stuff are, so I'm just gonna put icing on it. So I just have this whipped cream cheese. I should have got the vanilla one. I had the vanilla one originally and then I put it back, but it's okay. We're just gonna use this. Hopefully it tastes good. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for 10 minutes for it to cool down because I just took it out of the oven. And then we're gonna put the icing on it and that will be it. Then we can do our taste test. Now that our cake is cooled off, I'm just gonna take my icing, have my butter knife here, and my icing, I'm just gonna ice in the cake. So, opening it first. Hopefully this tastes good. Have like a lot of icing or just a little. Me personally, it doesn't matter. So I just got this first icing and I'm just about to spread it. Great. So I wish I could find the sprinkles, but I really don't know where they are. Because that will look so cute. I'm going to see if I can find them and then get back to you guys.
Tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton.